Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rent a movie on YouTube TV. In order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now by default, you will be on the home page, but if you are not on the home page, you need to make sure you set your tab on the home page and then click on the search icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you just have to simply type the name of the movie that you want to purchase, and if that movie has this dollar sign right next to it, it simply means that you can buy that movie or add that movie by paying extra into your YouTube TV subscription. For example, I searched for this movie that named as Nosferatu. So if I click on it, it will show you the banner of the movie, and here you will see the plus icon. So you need to click on the plus icon and select the payment method and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is done, you will be able to rent the movie or you will be able to buy the movie. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.